How to get a DashPass refund. So if you were charged for DashPass and you want the refund, this guide is going to show you what to do. So first of all, you need to open your DoorDash application. After opening it, you just have to simply go to the account section and look for the option of manage DashPass. After that, simply look for the option of end subscription and then simply confirm it. So canceling is going to stop future charges but does not automatically refund the current billing cycle. Now DashPass refunds are usually approved if you were charged recently or didn't use the benefits. So if your renewal just happened, you have a higher chance of getting a refund. So usage during the billing period may reduce the eligibility. Now inside the application or on the official website, you can just simply come here on the help section. So as you can see, I'm currently on the help.doordash.com. So over here, you just have to scroll down a bit and select the option of contact us. So you can either write them an email on this particular email address, or you can also simply define your issue by calling them on this particular number. For the live chat, you can click on this option and then you can have a chat with the agent. You can explain that you want a refund and mention the billing date clearly. So they are going to help you in this regard. So you can follow these steps and you will have the best chances of getting your money back. Thanks for watching.